Because of the Warsaw show, because there are so many journalists here, we decided to use this opportunity to invite you to our facility, to a place where the Ferrum stuff is designed and manufactured, because we wanted you to see how we work, we wanted you to see our engineering team, which is the core of our activities. So we have, for the moment, we have 3 products. The 4th one is coming, and all of them are very innovative, very modern, and this happens because we have a very creative R&D team. 2 of them, Paweł is the chief of the R&D team. He's my right hand here. And Max is the hardware guru. He's responsible for the hardware, and he overlooks all the hardware development. Our R&D team consists of 6 people, so for the audio company, it's pretty big. I would like to invite you to see how we work, what we do here, and drink some wine to taste our Polish sweets. They are I think that they are very good. And ask your questions about us, about how we work, so that we would be happy to answer them. So that's from me for the beginning.
Your name, sir?
Marcin Hamerla. Sorry. My name is Marcin Hamerla. I'm the CEO. I'm just the CEO. So my name is Marcin Hamerla.
Okay.
Yeah?
And you are
Max.
Max.
We will write it down. We will write it down. And that's most tricky. His name is Paweł Gorgoń. Okay, wunderbar. Okay. Take as many pictures as you want. Yes, that's true. Process is that. The other table is let's go my okay. So then when everything is assembled, so you can see all the parts here. We are typical audio company. I mean, basically we do, of course, all the boards outside. Then we that's what we share. So basically, the company is more than 20 years old, okay? 25 in fact. In audio and music, my sister is playing piano, but basically, initially my designs were Yes, I was doing it to do with that has nothing to do with Ferrum. Highlights, that the numbers